See this dot? That's you. That's your house, your problems, your ex, your student debt, everything you've ever known. And in about 10 minutes, you're going to feel really weird about caring what people think of your haircut. Let's talk about how small you really are. Our planet Earth. Earth feels pretty big, right? We've got mountains, oceans, 7 continents. Earth is 12,742 kilometers across. If you walked nonstop at a decent pace, you could circle the Earth in just under a year. People have done it. They're called people with questionable life choices. But here's the thing. The moon is only 384,400 kilometers away. In cosmic terms, that's like living next door. We've been there multiple times. We left footprints. We left a golf ball. We're basically the worst interplanetary neighbors. But you could fit every planet in our solar system between Earth and the moon. Yes, all of them. Saturn, Jupiter, the works, with room to spare. The sun is 150 million kilometers away. That's what we call 1 astronomical unit, or 1 AU. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. Million. The sun accounts for 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. And light from the sun? It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us, meaning the sunshine warming your face right now is 8-minute-old news. You're basically tanning in the past. So you've seen those diagrams of the solar system, right? Neat little planets lined up like ducklings? Yeah, those are lies. Beautiful, educational lies. If Earth were the size of a pea, the sun would be a beach ball over 100 meters away. Jupiter would be a golf ball half a kilometer down the street. And Pluto would be another pea about 4 kilometers away. Our solar system is staggeringly empty. It's like if you had a cathedral, and inside it there were 3 specks of dust. That's the density we're talking about. Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object, launched in 1977. It's been flying away from Earth at 17 kilometers per second for over 45 years. Want to know how far it's gotten? About 24 billion kilometers away. Sounds impressive, right? It hasn't even left the solar system yet. The Oort cloud, this shell of icy debris surrounding our solar system, extends nearly a light year out. Voyager won't even reach the edge of that for another 300 years. Space isn't just big, it's offensively, unreasonably big. Alright, let's leave home. Our nearest stellar neighbor is Proxima Centauri, 4.24 light years away. That means light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 4 years to get there. If you wanted to drive to Proxima Centauri at highway speed, it would take you 48 million years. But Proxima Centauri, that's next door. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is 100,000 light years across. It contains somewhere between 100 to 400 billion stars. Billion. That's more stars in our galaxy than there are grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. And we're not in the center. We're not special. We're way out in the suburbs, in a minor spiral arm called the Orion Spur. We're in cosmic New Jersey. Our entire solar system is orbiting the galactic center at 828,000 kilometers per hour. At that breakneck speed, it still takes us 230 million years to complete one orbit. The last time Earth was in this exact spot in the galaxy, dinosaurs had just started to show up. Think about that. The T-Rex lived an entire existence, went extinct, got turned into both museum exhibits and chicken nuggets, and we haven't even completed one lap around the galaxy. You know what's wild? We can see another galaxy with the naked eye, Andromeda. It's 2.5 million light years away. When you look at it, you're seeing light that left before humans existed. You're literally looking into the past. Andromeda and the Milky Way are both part of the local group, about 80 galaxies hanging out together in a cosmic suburb spanning 10 million light years. The local group is part of the Virgo supercluster, a collection of thousands of galaxy groups spanning 110 million light years. And that's part of Laniakea, our home supercluster, containing 100,000 galaxies across 520 million light years. And if we keep going, we see the cosmic web, a vast network of superclusters and voids stretching across the observable universe. Speaking of which, the observable universe is 93 billion light years across. That's the furthest we can possibly see in any direction because of the speed of light and the age of the universe. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion, each with hundreds of billions of stars. That's more stars than there are grains of sand on Earth. More stars than seconds have passed since Earth formed. More stars than words spoken by every human who has ever lived. and that's just what we can see. The universe beyond our cosmic horizon could be infinite. So here we are, back home. You, on a rock, orbiting a star, in the suburbs of a galaxy, in a supercluster, in an observable universe that might be a tiny fraction of everything that exists. Every person you love, every stranger you'll never meet, every hero and villain, everyone who ever lived, we're all here, on this pale blue dot. Carl Sagan said it best. The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena, and yet, on this impossibly small stage in this cosmic eye blink of time we've existed, look what we've done. We've composed symphonies, built pyramids, written poetry, landed on the moon. We've loved, laughed, created art, asked questions, and gazed up at that vast darkness with wonder. You are small, impossibly, beautifully, wonderfully small, but you're also made of atoms forged in the hearts of dying stars. You're the universe experiencing itself. You're a way for the cosmos to know its own story. And if that doesn't make you feel simultaneously insignificant and special, I don't know what will. Thanks for watching. Now go outside and look up. You've got 2 trillion galaxies to think about.